do? Welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices, one topic or one feature at a time. In today's video, I'm going to share with you two different types of albums that you're able to create inside of your gallery. Now, originally you'll have regular pictures and movies, download, screenshots, camera. You can also have favorites, but you can have auto updating and generating folders. You can also have family shared folders. So first off, when it comes down to the auto updating, what's nice about this is that you can choose somebody's face and then it will always automatically update anytime their image is taken. It'll be placed into this album. Now, it will always still be inside of your camera gallery as well, but you can put, let's say, a certain person or your entire family into an album. So if you have any other images, it will not be a part of it. So for example, let's say you hit on this plus button, we're going to do an auto updating album. Now for this one, I am just going to call it family, because what we can do is we can just choose everybody. So anytime that we have these pictures right here of these four folks, then we're going to have this entire family album, and it already generated it and put 139 images there. Now, anytime that I create and take more pictures or videos, it's going to keep adding into here. So this is all of us into one album. And you can also have it set up for only just one person or however you would like. But again, if at any point in time you don't need this album anymore, or you just don't want it, you can press on it and also hit on delete, and all those pictures are still going to be inside of your camera. Now, the other one that I want to share with you is down over here, and this is where you can have shared albums. So this is a family shared album. Anytime that I was to add in more pictures, it will always add them in, and then it's going to notify all the other people that is a part of this album that there has been new photos added. So up on the top, it is uploading, and then it's going to be added in right here, which it did. Now, the wife is going to get a notification that there was new images added by me. So how you can create one of these and add in additional storage is if you go right up over there on the top and you go to Shared Family Album. Once you select you want to create a shared family album, this is the first pop-up that you see here. This is the first page. So you get 5 gigs of extra storage space for each family member you add, and you can go up to 6 people. You have effortless sharing. Choose who you want in the album, then the gallery will automatically suggest pictures of those people to add. And then lastly, it's open to editing, which means everyone in the family can add to, edit, and delete pictures and videos if it's shared in this shared album. So you can just hit on Get Started, and then this is where you're able to add in who you would like to be a part of this family group and select the pictures. So right here, this is the newest one that we have created. This is where you want to add in your family members. Once you add in your family members, then you can go through and then add in all these pictures. Then everybody who is a part of this album will be able to see it immediately. Now, because there is nobody a part of this album that I have just created for this video, I deleted it. But this right here, this is the same album and album cover that is showing on my wife's phone as well. So she's able to see all of this the moment I add in a brand new picture. So this is where you're able to bring in 2 completely different types of albums into your gallery. The auto updating one, where anytime a photo is taken of the people that you select to be a part of that album, they will always be auto generated into here as a copy. And then also your shared family album, which brings in additional shared storage via the cloud, and then everybody is able to see pictures everywhere. So when you think about this one right here, if you have extended family, somebody who does not live in the same state as you, and you want your entire family just to see everything of your young growing family as well, if they're a part of this album, anytime you take a picture and you add it into there, they are able to see it simultaneously and instantly from wherever they are at. But hopefully you guys have appreciated this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how I roll. I got tons